Welcome to Space Events, where we talk about space events in a particular month. Let's get into it. GOES-T, or the Geostationary Operational Environmental Satellites, is the third next-generation weather satellite for the National Oceanic and Hemispheric Administration, or NOAA. This will provide them and NASA with continuous imagery and atmospheric measurements for the Western Hemisphere. The 541 in Atlas V 541 stands for a 5-meter fairing, 4 strap-on solid rocket boosters, and 1 upper stage Centaur engine. What seems to be the most common launches nowadays, SpaceX's Starlink high-speed internet constellation will possibly have 4 launches this month, going from launch 9 to 12 of their 4th batch of Starlink satellite. On the west coast from Vandenberg Space Force Base, it'll go to a polar orbit. From the east coast, from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station and Kennedy Space Center, it'll go into a more equatorial low Earth orbit. Starlink Launch 9 of Batch 4 will be SpaceX's 39th Starlink mission. The booster for this mission will land downrange in the ocean on Just Read the Instructions. Axiom Mission 1 is the 6th launch with crew for SpaceX's Crew Dragon capsule. It'll be the first ever private crew to go to the International Space Station for a 10-day stay. The private crew that will go to the International Space Station on SpaceX Crew Dragon Endeavour, which did Demo 2 back in May of 2020, will be former NASA astronaut Michael Lopez Alegria, and then paying customers Mark Pathy, Larry Connor, and Eitan Stibbe. NASA's Cislunar Autonomous Positioning, Technology, Operations, and Navigation Experiment, or CAPSTONE, is a historic pathfinding mission for NASA's Artemis program. It's 2022, it's time to start talking about Artemis. The Artemis program is NASA's goal to put the next man and the first woman on the moon by 2024. The objective of this specific CubeSat is to figure out the ins and outs of a near rectilinear lunar orbit around the moon. This is very important because NASA's next space station, Gateway, is gonna be in that orbit. Now let's go to everyone's favorite segment, obviously. It's moon time. The new moon for the month of March is on the 2nd, and the full moon is on the 18th. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time.